safety or e-safety is trying to be safe on the internet and is the knowledge of minimizing the user personal safety, security, risks through private information and as property associated with using the internet and self-protection from computer threats.
Information security. Sensitive information such as personal information and identity. Passwords are often associated with personal property and privacy. Unauthorized access and usage of private may result in consequences such as identity theft as well as theft of property.
Causes. Information security breaches include phishing, internet scams, malware. These are some schemes that deceive the user in various ways in attempt to take advantage of them. These fake websites are often designed to look legitimate counterparts to avoid suspicion from the users.
Personal safety. The first drop of the internet gave rise to many important services accessible to anyone with a connection. One of these important services is allows with malicious users. Children are often targets of malicious users.
Common threats to personal safety includes cyber talking, cyberbullying, online predation, and offensive content. Cyber talking is the use of internet or other electronic means to stalk or harass an individual or a group. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is the use of electronic means such as instant messaging on social media, email, and other forms of online communication with intent to abuse. So, my dear fellows, we should take some smart steps to keep ourselves safe and secure. Now, some students will perform a skit on some smart.
Details, number, address, location, or email. No info in your username. Someone could figure out the riddle game. Basically, keep your personal info safe. Don't let it end up in cyberspace. Be safe when you're online. Be safe. Those I know do that. Be safe when you're online. Ain't nobody fooling me. Be safe when you're online. Follow our rules and you'll do fine. Be safe when you're online. Ain't nobody fooling me. Never meet up with an online friend. That online friend might just pretend and be a person that intends to put you in danger. Don't trust strangers. Stop and think before you take